Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete posts on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Here, click on My Post option. Click on your post. Now tap on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Then tap on Delete option. And if you're sure, click on the Confirm option. So that is how you can delete post on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.